What up, YouTube? This is the Young Chevy Truck YouTube channel where I plan on showing you how to build a 1984 Chevy C10 truck that just burns rubber, ain't meant to be fast, and only meant to be fun for you. And in this episode, I'm actually gonna go pick up, or me and my homie are actually gonna go and look at motors for his Ecotec MIATA swap. So that is going to be lit. And of course, he's going big. He's not going home. He's going with the 2.4 liter LE5, which is sort of rare in the Ecotec world. I think the 2.2 liter is the one that's the most common, but he's going big, so we're looking for a 2.4 liter that isn't beat to death. So we're just gonna scour the junkyards and see what we can find. And I figured I'd take y'all with me, you know. There we go. So we're gonna go pick him up, and then we will head to the junkyard and we'll see what we can find.
What up, boy?
What's going on, man?
What's up, bro?
Ready to find this LE5? I mean, I'm not putting it back on. I'm not doing it.
I'll just sit over here while we're driving, like, oh, scare people. Or you're just like parallel to someone, like, oh, we're gonna crash.
Seat back to like comfortable.
I'm at the height limit though. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Like one more quarter-inch of.
And that's it.
Sure.
What's going on, man?
Car, man?
Carson.
What's up? I'm Stone, aka Young Chevy Truck on the YouTubes that you're on right now.
Alright.
Alright, where are we going?
We're going to the pull apart.
Give the people an update. I'm putting you on the spot.
Okay. So we're at the pull apart to scout for an Ecotec engine that I'm gonna swap into a MIATA. Pulling it in 2 days, so we're gonna try to find a fresh one. We'll see what we can find. The last ones we found were bunk, so maybe we can find some good engines. Let's go find
Sauce.
genuine GM parts. Okay, so here's how we can cut our time way short. So if it is a 2006 to 2010 GM car, then if the 8th digit is a B, it's got the LE5. And then in 2011, if the 8th digit is a 1, it's got the LE5. So 2012, the 8th digit should be 0.
Okay.
Right, got it. Preferably, it should come out of a Saturn view or a Saturn Aura. No, wrong end. Up. No. Nope. 2.2 liter. Need those extra 2 liters of displacement. It's very vital. This could look exactly like our engine, because the 2.2 liter and the 2.4 liter look almost exactly the same. I think they even use the same heads and everything. So you have to check the VIN, or else we won't know.
Yeah.
We want to get halfway through a motor and then realize that it's the L61 instead of the LE5.
Which is not saucy.
We need that extra 2 liters of displacement. That's very important. Okay, on to the next one.
All right, Cobalt. Okay, wait a minute.
2.2 liter. See that F?
Yeah.
2.2 liter. L61. Let's see what he's found. It's a 2.2 liter. 2.2 liter. 2.2. 2.2 liter. I think we're ready. 2.2 liter.
Son of a gun. I doubt this has a 2.4 liter.
Nope. More 2.2 liters. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. It's alright, we're still at the very beginning of the GM section. So we have quite a while to search. Oh, 4 engine. See that F? F as in no. More 2.2 liters. Yeah, no, this is not it. Oh, we have an LE5.
About time.
Oh, yes. You see this?
Oh,
this
and
is a
it's
fully
very
fledged
new
race car motor right here. You see this? This is a full-on race car.
Oh my god.
This got here 2 days ago. All right. Let's start busting this bitch open a little bit.
You think it could it's not gonna move if I put my weight on it?
The car?
Yeah, like it's stable, right?
I don't know about that.
I'm about to do it anyway. I'm about to go all the way with it. Hold this. It's kind of dirty in there.
I'm also, so you know what we saw last time, right? With the
Does it look like poo-poo in there?
well, so yeah, if you can look inside the crank case, that's really about the only implication we can get. So when we were looking at that intake before, right? You know what I was thinking of? Someone who doesn't know this is never going to block off their PCV valve. They're never, like, even if they change their oil, if their PCV valve gets and all that gets clogged, then they're going to have a bunch of gunk in their intake. You could have that from 30,000 miles.
Yeah, but we
you
don't
know?
even know if this one's running or not. The reason I'm saying that is because the car doesn't look damaged, so it wasn't an accident. It's either the transmission or the engine.
Good point. Let's see why this son of a gun is in here.
Oh.
Yeah.
This also got here 2 days ago. So,
Long motor.
how do you know?
I'm just taking a guess. Based off
Or
of
maybe
not being wrecked.
maybe it's the transmission though, because these things don't just blow the way it, you know. I feel like this thing just doesn't go just like that.
So the other thing is, if we pull the motor and we hook it up and it turns out to be a bad motor, they give us a warranty on it. So there's that.
But still, would you want to go through all the work? We're going to another one, right?
We can. There's one like not far at all. We've been here for like no time at all. Like 1 o'clock, so I'm not worried about traffic yet. So it's a possible, you know?
Yeah, it is a possible.
I don't like it either if it's not wrecked.
All right, y'all. So no 2.4 liter. So for we found one, but it's kind of poopy.
It's looking dodgy. It's looking
yeah,
dodgy.
definitely.
We're gonna move on to our next vulture area of prey.
So why don't you start posting on your YouTube channel, Chappie?
Because I had to get you to introduce me first. First thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna sit down and interview young Chevy truck about his project, about things going on.
All right, then.
We're gonna have some content though. We're gonna have an Ecotec swap MIATA. It's gonna be dope.
For sure.
It's gonna be cool. We're gonna become Junkyard kings. Damn. So we found about, I'd say 50 to 60 2.2 liters.
Yeah.
We found one 2.4 liter in all of the GM section.
So far.
But I'm not settling,
Of course not.
because I want 200 ponies. And I've already paid $4,000 for my shit to be built for the LE5, so I kind of have to. But it's gonna be dope.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
It's
dope.
gonna be dope. All right, so let's just go ahead and cut this off, and then we'll head to the next location. How about we go to the back of the lot first?
Right.
Because think about it. If there's a 2.4, they're gonna see it at the front of the lot, and they're gonna take it from the front of the lot. So you might as well go all the way to the back and search from there.
2.2 liter. That's it. Yep, that's one.
Looks like they hit it from the side because the mirror came in and smacked the window.
Is this car wrecked? It is wrecked.
Yeah, they
This is
hit
actually
it
a
pretty
legitimate
hard.
Contender.
Yeah, it is.
This is a very legitimate contender. That actually is a very good candidate.
Yeah.
Look, get down there and look at the color of the bottom end. That's like the main thing, right? As long as the motor's not seized,
Yeah.
and it looks like they've changed their oil like decently.
The only thing that intimidates me is just the amount of oil that's
on the subframe.
Yeah, that's
for sure.
the only thing.
Well, look, also when they pulled this, they pulled the oil pan off and they drained it, right?
Yeah.
They do that when they get the car, when the junkyard gets the car, they drain it. So of course, if the subframe's there, it's gonna dump shit on there a lot. Anyways, that's a lot of cake for sure.
Yeah.
But look at the actual color of the bottom end. It does not look.
When they pulled this,
yeah.
you think that they just dropped the bitch on the ground?
It does look good though.
You know what I'm saying?
I doubt it.
Looks really good. Yeah, I doubt they would be that brute about it if they were using the transmission for it.
That's what I'm saying. So someone obviously needed the trans for this car, and they were like, okay, this thing has been wrecked. It's probably got a good motor and a good trans. They pulled the trans and then left the motor. Let's see how long it's been on the yard.
Yeah, because it looks good.
This car has been here a month and a half, but I bet you anything that this has not been here a month and a half. This is a legitimate contender, dude.
I'll take a picture of
See
it.
that B right there? That's for big bore.
That's
okay?
for bald eagle power.
That's B for bored and stroke. Okay? Now that is a legit contender, guys. We might have something there.
For sure.
That just lightened my mood.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Look at the bald eagle power.
Oh.
Look at this.
Yo, that hood screws up.
Wow. That's like a 454 right there.
There you go.
Oh my God. Transmission still there? Hold on, roll through them gears. Roll through them gears. I like the handbrake though. Actually, this is actually a pretty cool little truck. This is a cool little truck. Rev matching it.
Transmission actually feels really sorted still.
You put the park brake on.
Damn, so alright, well now I got a sense that these things are not as easy to come by as I thought.
A lot easier than an LS motor.
So you see, so we went to 2 junkyards, 2 pull parts, huge. In the first one we found 70 2.2 liter and 1 2.4 liter that was probably shit. Here we found probably another 70 2.2 liters and also 1 2.4 liter that someone pulled the trans off of. That might be our guy. At the other junkyard there was another one that was the only other LE5. Someone bought it and was sitting there waiting for them to pick it up. So it kind of gives you a sense that those 2.2 liters are everywhere. People are looking for those 2.4 liters.
Yeah.
That means it's a full race car engine.
It's like
it is fully fledged.
It's like the 2.2 liter S2 5.3 liter LM7.
Yeah.
And then 2.4 is 2 LS1.
Yep.
In that world.
Exactly like that.
Alright guys, so it was definitely no dice before. Well actually, no, we did find one. We found one 2.4 liter LE5. And oh, there it is. And this is what the engine is going in, right here. The good old MIATA. I know he misses that car. Yeah, but that's what it's going in, and it's gonna be a dope project, and I'm really looking forward to being a part of it. Yeah, I guess that pretty much sums up this video, y'all. Just a little vlog, you know. I figured, you know, I'll try to give y'all some car related pretty much like, you know, every day if I can. But every other day it's probably gonna be what it is, what it actually is. But I'll keep trying. I'll strive for daily uploads. So, yeah guys, I think that pretty much sums up this video. I really appreciate you guys watching, and have a good one.